Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Oblivion Remastered under processes crashed error code. Let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and open up Steam, make your way over to the Elder Scrolls Oblivion Remastered, right click on it. Once you right click on it, hit Properties. From Properties, make your way over to Installed Files, and then go ahead and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now once you basically do this, this will check to see if there are any corrupt files and it will fix that issue. You can go ahead and launch Oblivion and you guys should be good to go. And there is another method you guys can try doing, is by going over to the search bar, typing in Device Manager, and then from the Device Manager, go over to Display Adapters, right click on your GPU and hit Update Driver, and then go ahead and select Search Automatically for drivers, and this will update your driver. Now, if you are on NVIDIA, you can do this from the GeForce Experience app directly as well by going over to the GeForce Experience app. Now, you can also do this from the AMD equivalent app if you are on AMD. And let's just first load into NVIDIA. But anyways, go over to drivers and then check for updates, and if you have an update, go ahead and install it, and if you don't, there should be a check bar and it should say you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.